Hello guys, today I have a short video about how to enable to dark mode in Windows 10. So you don't want to download any third-party programs or any software. You can follow my step tutorial and then you can get access for dark mode. Right guys, I'm going to start the video. Go to your setting, click on it. Again, personalization. Then you getting a screen like that. Then click on the colors. Then you can see the page. So my laptop in right now Windows 10. So if we have different, then we can scroll down. Then you can see right here light or dark mode. Then I'm going to click on it, dark. Alright guys, now you can see everything dark screen. So I'm going to Google. Yeah, everything successfully access get the dark mode. Go into Facebook. Yeah, exactly like that you're getting dark mode. That's a short video about today how to get access for dark mode Windows 10. Alright guys, if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Get more videos in the future. Thank you.